Having flown into Malaga Airport, we spent the first days of the holiday being based out of Estepona. Having thoroughly explored that area, we moved on for the final 4 days of the holiday to Olvera, located in the Sierra de Cádiz mountain range. One of our day trips included the beautiful little mountain village of Grazalema.
Today we've had the most beautiful of drives coming up from the main road up to Grazalema. It's been, it says 50 kilometres an hour as a speed limit. However, it's one turn after another. It's just been an absolutely beautiful drive. Thoroughly enjoyed it. So that's just a small portion of the road that we've driven up, but it's all through wooded areas and just little farms either side, and stopped for a minute or two and there was sheep bells just sort of clanking in the distance. Absolute little piece of paradise. So today we've come up to this beautiful little village of Grazalema. It's the most spectacular of drives up here, and a delightful little place, full of community spirit. I love the fact that the old people are all sitting out, and there's a real sense of community throughout the village, as I say, people playing dominoes together. It just looks like a absolutely beautiful place to live. What a wonderful community spirit. The guys are out here in this lovely sunny square. It's only 11 degrees, but they've got the coats on, they're playing dominoes and actually engaging with their community.
Grazalema, one of Spain's hidden gems, is located in the picturesque Sierra de Grazalema Natural Park. This charming village in southern Spain is not only known for its breathtaking views, but also its rich history and culture. We ate at the Cafeteria Rumades in the main Plaza de España, opting for a light lunch. The culinary scene in Grazalema is rich and varied, being known for the local delicacy queso de Grazalema, which is meant to be a delicious cheese made from sheep's milk that has been recognised for its exceptional quality. Grazalema boasts a rich Moorish history, with its origins dating back to the 8th century. The steep, narrow streets of the old town reflect this Islamic influence, characterised by traditional whitewashed houses and intricate tile work. Grazalema is situated in one of the wettest places in Spain, receiving an average rainfall of about 1,500 millimetres. This unique climate fosters a diverse ecosystem, making it paradise for nature lovers and hikers. Home to over 30 species of orchids and numerous wildlife species, including the endangered Egyptian vulture, the area's natural beauty is a big draw. The Sierra de Grazalema Natural Park offers stunning trails that reveal magnificent views of lush valleys and dramatic limestone cliffs. Grazalema is more than just a beautiful village. It's a vibrant tapestry of history, nature, culture and traditions, interwoven into one captivating destination. Whether you're hiking its trails or savouring local delicacies, Grazalema promises an unforgettable experience. If you've not already seen some of the other episodes, This is one of the multi-part series relating to the locations we visited on the 2-week holiday. If you've enjoyed this video, you might want to catch some of the others in this particular playlist for ideas about your next visit to this beautiful part of Spain.